As for today's video, I am taking you to the Suzu Marine Stadium in Makuhari, Chiba. Here we go! So today, guys, kasama ko si Javi, tayo ay manonood ng baseball. So ito guys, let me show you. Ito ang paligid ng Suzu Marine Stadium in Makuhari, Chiba. Grabe guys, ang lawak-lawak. Ang ganda, no? Marine Stadium, Chiba. We are in Chiba. So guys, ang maglalaban today is going to be the Marine versus Cebu Lions. So ito na guys. So now we are giving our entrance bracelet. And here we are inside. So ito na guys, dito po kami nakaupo sa tinatawag na back screen ura. Wow, so good. Ibig sabihin, nasa likod mismo guys ng screen. Kailangan may screen para safety tayo sa mga bola nila. Wonderful. Pasensya na po, madilim sa loob. Pero sige lang, let us enjoy watching baseball. So it's the Marine versus Cebu Lions. Pwede ring bumili ng t-shirts. And what's more guys, mayroong buffet lunch dito sa back screen ura. Wow, yummy foods. Okay. Guys, it is really my very first time to watch mula sa malapitan. So this place is called the back screen ura. Ibig sabihin, sa likod mismo ng screen. Mula dito sa malapit, natatanaw namin ang mga players. As in, napakalapit lang. Yay! It's coffee time. Coffee muna tayo guys para huwag antukin. Look at my hubby. He is now sleepy. So, from here guys, I'm going to show you ang mga kaganapan dito sa loob ng stadium. Medyo mahaba-haba rin ito pero enjoy watching. It's Marine versus the Cebu Lions. Go, go! Masarap manood guys ng baseball in actual. At ang lapit pa talaga. Ayan oh. Let us enjoy the day. So from here guys, hindi pa tapos ang game, pero pasyal kumano kayo sa taas, sa 3rd floor at saka sa 4th floor. Let's go. Ganito pala ang itsura guys sa 2nd floor. Ayun, oh, dahil nasa VIP kami, ito ay nasa 2nd floor. Oh, may mga tindahan. Oh. Wow. So, dyan po banda ipipresent ang ticket. Then, papasok na sila doon sa loob. So, akyat tayo guys sa 3rd floor. 3rd floor. So guys, ang laki ng Susutan Marine Stadium. Hinihingal na ako guys. Ay, kaya no, umakyat kami sa taas. Oh, wow, look outside. Ang ganda. Ay. Ayan dyan guys ang Makuhari Mise. Oh. Ayan guys, akyat tayo dito. Wow. So it looks like this upstairs. Oh. Ang laki, no? Pero once again, nakikita natin ang Makuhari Mise. It is one of Japan's largest convention center located in Makuhari, New City, Chiba. So ito guys, pababa na kami. Marine. I just want to announce that ang team na nanalo po ay ang Marine team. Yay! Wow. So, we are going home. Marine. Congrats guys, ang Marine team. Congratulations! So, ito guys, pababa na po kami ng Susu Marine Stadium. Hope you like this video and please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. And please do not forget to click the notification bell in order for you to be notified on my next uploads. Thank you very much. Ciao!